and welcome back to the Cook to Flourish kitchen. This is Robin Cook and I am delighted that you are here with me today. So here's what we're going to be making today. It's very simple and easy and nourishing. We are going to do an easy anti-inflammatory roasted vegetable medley. So here's what we're going to need. You're going to need some broccoli here that's already washed, floretted, and it's chopped just a little bit, a zucchini and a carrot, and then also a little bit of organic fresh turmeric, salt, pepper, garlic powder, and avocado oil. That is it. So here's what we're gonna do. I'm just going to chop a little bit of our zucchini and our carrot. So I love roasted vegetables. How about you? They are just so flavorful. I love their texture. And I just think that roasting makes any vegetable edible, especially Brussels sprouts. If you are not a Brussels sprouts fan yet, then I would try some roasted Brussels sprouts. But today we're just gonna be using broccoli, zucchini, and carrots. Meanwhile, you're gonna wanna preheat your oven to 375 degrees. And we're just going to cut the carrot here. I personally like to do organic carrot when at all possible. I find that the flavor is better and it's going to save you any of the pesticides that might be in the dirt. All right, so now we have our 3 lovely veggies here, and now comes the anti-inflammatory part. So we're gonna take our fresh turmeric, and I actually got this from our farmer's market, one of our awesome family farmers. They are called Red Fern Farms. They have this fresh baby turmeric, but otherwise you could get it at your health food store as well. That would be just fine. So we're just gonna grate a nice helping of our fresh turmeric. I would say about a half a teaspoon. So turmeric, as I'm sure you have heard, is amazingly anti-inflammatory. And so we are going to add that to our veggies today. Now, do beware if you get it on your fingers, it could kind of turn your hand yellow for a little bit. So just make sure to wash your hands or use a glove or something like that. All right, and then we're gonna do some real sea salt. So I love using real sea salt. I find that the flavor is fantastic and it has a great assortment of minerals in there. So just salt that to your taste. And then also black pepper. Now, black pepper and turmeric actually synergize. The black pepper helps the turmeric to work better. So we're gonna make sure and put some nice black pepper in here. And then we're gonna do some garlic powder. Now, if you wanted to use fresh garlic, you totally can. You can either grate it or you can press it or mince it. Either of those works great. I really like this organic garlic powder though. I find that it just coats the veggies so well. It's kind of like snowy vegetables, which is kind of funny because it's snowing today here in Kansas City. So we're having snowy anti-inflammatory vegetables with this garlic powder. So you can do between a half a teaspoon and a teaspoon of your garlic powder. And then lastly, some avocado oil. So avocado oil is one of my favorite oils to cook with and roast with because it has a higher heat tolerance. So we're just gonna do, about a tablespoon, maybe 2 at the most. And just nice and get those veggies all lathered in the oil and the seasonings here. So we're just gonna stir these together, get them all nice and happy, coated with these anti-inflammatory spices, and get them ready to go into the oven. Now, like I said earlier, you could do this with Brussels sprouts, you could do this with onions, you could do this with mushrooms, bell peppers, really whatever vegetable you like, you could do this simple, basic recipe with the avocado oil, your different spices, and then whatever veggies you want to do. Pop these in the oven, 375 degrees for about 20 to 28 minutes. They should be nice and golden brown and tender and ready to go. So then you can use this as a side dish to your favorite protein, and then you can even use this the next day with leftovers. You can put this on top of a kale salad, you could put this on top of some quinoa or for some brown rice, or even on top of some spaghetti squash that's cooked. So anyway, I hope that you really enjoy this easy recipe. Stay well and nourished. God bless you, and we'll see you soon again in the Cook to Flourish kitchen.